Hi student, this is the session 2 of chapter 5 understanding of elementary shapes. See here we will see the angles. Okay, angles in that first thing is direction. Angles with the directions north, south, east and west. Now if we are here in a north side or we are facing to the north direction like this, then if I'll turn to the east direction, then I have to turn 90 degree. I have to turn 90 degree. If I want to turn my position or my face to the south direction, then I have to turn 180 degree. This 90 plus this 90, total 180 degree. Okay, 90 degree, this is the right angle triangle. This 180 degree, this is the 180, this is straight angle. 180 degree means. Now next thing, if I want to turn up to west, then I have to go like this, from this to this. Firstly I am facing to the north, then I'll turn in clockwise direction, or from the east to west. Okay, east to north, after that east, south and west. Then this is 270 degree. 90 plus 90 plus 90, this is okay. Then next thing, from north to again full turn. Okay, turn around. The order is there, no, turn around like that. So you have to turn total 360. Total angle is 360. Now 90 degree. 90 degree total out of 360. 90, 0, 0 cancel, 9, 4. This is 1/4th revolution. 1/4th revolution. 90 divided by 360 means this 90. This is 1/4th revolution. Now 180 divided by 360. This one 1, 2. So 1, 2. 1/2 revolution. 1/2 revolution means half revolution. Half revolution. Now third one is 270. 270. This one 270 divided by 360. 0, 0 cancel. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. So 3/4th revolution. Okay, 3/4th revolution. See, just check. We are going in clockwise direction. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. You know, no? From 12 to 1 it is clockwise. 12 to 3 it is clockwise. Suppose it is 12. This is 3. This is 6 and this is 9. Then 12 to 3 is clockwise and 12 to 9 is anti-clockwise. Okay, then next thing is 360. 360 is the full revolution. Full revolution. Okay, then see here, 1/4th means 90. 1/2 means 80. 3/4th means 270. 270 degree and total is 360 degree. Now we will, this is for direction from north to east. From north to west also 90 degree. From north to south also 180 degree straight angle. 90 degree. 90 degree is straight angle. 90 degree is straight angle. Straight angle C. 90 degree is straight, sorry 90 degree is, 90 degree is right angle. Right angle. 180 degree is straight angle. 180 degree is straight angle. And another one 360 is complete angle. 360 degree is complete angle. Okay, complete angle. See here, 90 degree is right angle, 180 is straight angle and 360 is complete angle. Okay, now we will go for clocks. Okay, but we will see this revolution with the direction. Now we will see same revolution with the clock. See, this is the clock. Okay, now 12 to 3. If the clock hand is rotate from 12 to 3, then it is 90 degree. How many 1 2 3 3 parts are there from the clock. Okay, 3 parts are there. Total is 90 degree. Now, if it is going to the 6, then total is 180 degree. That is nothing but straight angle. If it is going again to the 12, then total full revolution, that is nothing but 360 degree. Okay. Now, suppose same clock, see here, the same clock, if I start from 2 and if I stop at 5, then 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 parts, so it is 90 degree. If I'll start from 2 and if I'll stop at 5, so 90 degree. So see here, 90 degree, 3 parts, 3 parts from the, or 3 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 3 divisions from the clock. So 90 degree means 330. So okay, 30 degree. So each part is nothing but 30 degree. What? 30 degree. Each part value is 30 degree. From 12 to 1 it is 30 degree, 1 to 12 it is 2 it is 30 degree, 2 to 3 it is 30. So total 30 plus 30 plus 30 it is 90 degree. So you have to remain in the clock. Full is 360, from 12 to 6 is 180, 9 to 3 is 180, again 12 to 3 is 90, and 12 to 3 divisions are there, so each division having value of 30 degree. Okay, now this is same thing, 90 degree divided by 360 degree, so 12 to 3 it is 1 by 4th revolution. Okay, 12 to 6 it is 1 by 2 revolution, 12 to 9 it is 3 by 4 revolution, and 12 to again 12 full revolution. Okay, full revolution. Like directions also I already explained here. See, 90 degree means 1 by 4th, 180 means 1 by 2, 270 means 3 by 4, and 360 means full revolution. 90 degree is right angle triangle, 180 is straight angle, and 360 is complete angle. Then next, exercise 5.2. Question number 1. What fraction of the clockwise revolution does the hour hand of clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? Now, this is full. Now, our hand is 3 and it will go up to 9. Okay, up to 9. Then this is 180 degree, 180 degree. So what they are asking, what fraction of clockwise direction? 180 degree. But 180 degree means fraction. Fraction means what? Revolution. 180 degrees revolution is 1 by 4th revolution. So answer will be up to 9, 3 to 9. It is 1 by 4th revolution. 1 by 4th revolution. Okay. Then next thing is 4 to 7. Suppose here 4 and it will go to up to the 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So see, 4 to 5, 1. 5 to 6, 1. And 3 to 6 to 7, 1. Means 1, 2, 3. 3 revolution means what? 90 degree. 3 revolution means 90 degree. So 90 degree means 4 to 7. 90 degree. 90 degree means what? Again 1 by 4th revolution. See here, this is 3 to 9 means straight angle. Here 1 by 2 revolution is there. Sorry for that. 1 by 2 revolution. Straight angle 1 by 2 revolution. And here it is 1 by 4th revolution, 90 degree. Okay. Then next is 1 to 10. Suppose I am taking 1 to 10 directly. You have to do for 7 to 10 and all. 1 here it is, and from 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3. This one 1 to 10. 1 to 10. See here. This can be 270. 270 means 3 by 4 revolution. Okay. 3 by 4 revolution. This is in clockwise direction. See here, I'll show you again. here 12, 1 here, there, here 11, and here 10 is there. Okay, this is 90, 90, 90, here 3, here 6, here 9. Now from 1 to 10, this is 90 degree, and this is total revolution is 270 degree. So 270 is nothing but 1 by third revolution, 3 by 4 revolution. Now the thing is that this is in clockwise direction. If I'll go in anti-clockwise direction, 1 to 10 means 90 degree. So in anti-clockwise direction, it is 1 by 4 revolution. 1 by 4 revolution. That can be also possible. They will ask with the anti-clockwise revolution. Okay. Then solve remaining. Where will the hand of the clock stop if it 12 start at 12 and 1 make 1 by 2 revolution? Start at 12. It will start at 12 and 1 by 2 revolution means what? 180 degree. 180 degree means straight angle. So it will stop at 6. It will stop at 6. Start at 2 and make 1 by 2 revolution. Here start at 2 and making 1 by 2 revolution means it will stop at 8. See, straight angle. Okay, straight angle. So it will stop at 1 by 2 revolution at 8. At 8. Now start at 5 and make 1 by 4th of revolution in clockwise. Okay, in clockwise 1 by 4th revolution, and again it has to reach at 1 by 4th means 90 degree. 90 degree means 3. So 5 plus 3, 8. So it will stop at 8. Start at 5.